And so look at this business, guys. Since I've been in it, I've earned $12,833.95. Now, I stopped promoting this business because they hadn't paid me for a few weeks. Now, if I look down here, this was the payment I got on the 20th of the 10th down here. And I received that payment into my bank. But all of these payments up here that I'd earned in commissions, I hadn't received. So this morning when I got up, I looked into my bank account and I got $637 that are paid in there. And as you can see, I got two payments, $322.40 and $315.40. So if I come back over here, so I got this payment here came into my account and this payment that came into here into my account. Now, this is for the business of sending out emails and you get paid to emails. Now, I stopped using it because I wasn't getting paid, but I'm obviously going to start using it again now. Now, I've sent their support a few support tickets, didn't really get any replies, but all of a sudden, as I say, they've started to pay me and I've got my two payments there. So if you're looking to earn an extra income where you get paid to send out emails, then click the link below this video. It's going to take you over to this page. Watch this video. And then when you're ready, click on this blue button here to create a free account. You can create a free account and they'll give you 5,000 subscribers so that you can try it for free. You will earn money with a free account because that's what I did. I started with a free account, and then when I started to earn money, then I paid the the fees that they need. It's actually pay as you go, so you don't pay monthly. They'll give you some more ability to send out emails. But if you watch that video there, it explains to you how it works. But you can also promote other businesses using this. Now, I've got some other videos on my channel to tell you how it all works. But if you're interested in earning an extra income, then click the link below, come over to this page and watch that video. Create your free account. You'll find a ton of testimonials below this video as well. Now, I get that coming to my Wise bank account and it comes in dollars. I'm here in the UK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this US dollars into pounds. So I'm going to click on there and it's so simple to do. I just click convert. If you want a Wise account as well, you'll find a link below this video and you can set up your Wise account. So I'm going to click the balance. That's going to give me £499 and then click convert. It's going to charge me a fee of $3.17. Convert that up. That's all done. So now if I come back home, you can now see that my dollar value's gone down to 0 and my pounds has gone up to £503.14. So if you're interested to earn an extra income by sending emails, then click the link below this video. You have a great day and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.